Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BNB film on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and then in here you just click on the new project and add the photo or the video that you want to edit, this one, and then click add at the bottom. And after this, in here, if you wanna add BNB film on CapCut, so you just click on the effect at the bottom, click on it, and then in here you just click on the video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see retro effect, this one, so you just click on it, and then now you can swipe down until you can see BNB film effect, this one, so you just click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the check icon and finish. So that's how to add BNB film on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.